My name is Mohammad Wasim Ahmed. I am a service executive for Bajaj Auto Limited. Came from Hyderabad. Today we are doing service campaign, free service camp in Government Grounds College in Anantapur. The idea behind of service free service camp in Anantapur is to give the touch and feel of Discover 125 to all customers, two-wheeler customers in Anantapur. In this camp, we are doing five-point checkup, which is chain adjustment, brake adjustment, clutch adjustment, and spark plug cleaning and filter cleaning. We are doing it. Along with this, we are providing, sales and exchange counters also available over here. At the time of servicing, customer can go through this sales and exchange counters, as well as we have also provided a test ride counter where customer can go and do the test ride of Discover 125, which we have displayed in these grounds. And the main idea behind it is to give the touch and feel of Discover 125, which we have recently launched. And in this Discover family, we have three variants: Discover 100cc, Discover 125, and Discover 150. The major difference between all these three brands are, first one is cc. The major difference is only the cc and the mileage. cc is like 100cc, 125 and 150 cc's, and 100cc will give a mileage of 80 kilometers on road in standard conditions, and 125 will give you around 60 to 65 in standard road conditions, and 150 will give you 55 to 60 kilometers under standard conditions. This is the major difference of Discover family. Customer can also avail Pulsar brand also, Pulsar 150, 180 test ride also we are providing here. So through this service camp, customer can go through all free service camp and exchange facilities and sales facilities, as well as we are also providing a free pollution certificate to each and every two-wheeler customer, and we are inviting all brands, including our competitor brand of Hero Honda, Suzuki, TVS, and also Bajaj. We have done this opening with our college principal. So we have started late at around 10:30. We have started, even though we have received very good response. Almost 300 customers have reported till now, and we have sold 15 vehicles. Have sold till now. We have sold 15 vehicles through this service camp. Around 10 vehicles of Discover 125 we have delivered, and 5 Pulsar brand we have delivered, and we have exchanged 5 vehicles. And this camp will continue for 2 more days, that is tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So all Anantapur customers can come and avail this beautiful and excellent service checkup camp in this Anantapur Arts College ground. Anantapur, we have in Anantapur district, we have in Anantapur city, and one more dealership is in Hindupur. And we have service centers all across Anantapur districts like Rayadurgam, Kadiri, and Tadipatri, and Pamidi. Like this, we have authorized service center spread across Anantapur district. Pulsar volume, basically we are in Anantapur, we are selling around 500 vehicles. In that 500 vehicles, 300 will be Discover brand and 200 will be Pulsar brand. Basically, if you see in Bajaj 150 brand, it's our DTSI technology. Pulsar 150 compared to a competitor vehicle, Pulsar 150 is very good in pickup and also in mileage.